We're out here in beautiful Port Coquitlam, British Columbia. We're installing a dual fuel heat pump system. This is another Fortis early bird adopter program. We're gonna put the furnace inside, that's gonna be gas. Gonna put the heat pump outside, that's gonna be electric. The heat pump's gonna heat the house down to 5 degrees. Gas will kick on anything below 5 degrees Celsius. Let's check it out. Take this guy, we think you're gonna do that guy, we're gonna take the get out here. Put the new furnace in here, little custom sheet metal. Take the blue exhaust, pop her out there. Heat pump's gonna go out here. Get a big light, get a big light. I'm the heat pump. I'm right here, going that way. That was cool. Reversing valve, keeping it warm. That's how we do it, boys. Yeah, it was cool.